Who doesn't catch a great personality walking by? Well, do you want to be the head turner that you can be? So take a look at our next segment. Indian film cinema is celebrating 100 years. And this function has been taken care by the South Indian Film Chamber, and it will be happening in Chennai between the 22nd to 24th of September. Now, this function, the President of India will be the chief guest, and in India, in all the industries, everyone will be present, right from the superstars till all the actors, and each industry has a slot of 2.5 hours to perform. Now, this function, the superstar, megastar Rajinikanth, Kamal Haasan, and everyone will be performing from the Tamil industry, vagera vagera. Pakshe, it's very sad for me to convey this news that nammada Malayalam film industry, when they were approached to perform in this grand function, idila remuneration kittathathu kondu aarum thanne respond cheyidilla. These movies in the parayana movies is what made them what they are, and they are what they are just because of our Malayalam film industry. Maybe let's see if somebody responds. Well, if that is the case, Page 3 will be glad to inform you, but it's really sad Malayalam industry. A Mallu girl, Nithya Menon, received a blank check for being glamorous. Well, the story goes like this. Our lovely Nithya Menon is very famous for doing movies in Kannada and Tamil. Now, what happened is a producer from the Kannada film industry offered her a blank check, but only on one condition, that she be ready to pose in a bikini for a song. Now, this scene absolutely miffed her and she got so pissed off with it. But she's been reading a lot of scripts and she wants to do roles only which demand a lot of acting and a lot of character in it. Because she's done pretty good work and pretty decent work in Kannada and Tamil. So now let's wait and watch what her next wonderful script comes across. Salman Khan has always been in the news when it comes to controversies, link-ups or the 100 crore budget. But controversies in the karyathil Salman Khan thopikkan aarkum kariyilla. And now again he's back in the news with another controversy. There is a case filed against him by a mother-daughter duo known as Geeta Sethi and Amrita Sethi. Now what happened is they filed a case saying that he has harassed them in their car and also in their residence. Now this kada chelkondu our police station la Mumbai la cops inde eduthu poyappathekkum they refused to register the case. Adu maatralla they verbally abused this power mother and daughter. But now what happens is looks like there is serious action coming against Salman Khan, and because of which his rivals even gathered outside his home in Mumbai. Now let's wait and watch, and Page 3 wants to thank Salman Khan for finally being human.